Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is John and today we're gonna learn about the Course Configurator from Digital Social Impact. The Digital Social Impact Course Configurator is a digital tool which enables AGI educators to design a tailored digital social impact course, project or lesson. The team here at Digital Social Impact have curated a list of suggested teaching approaches, activities, tools and topics, which can be used with AGI students to teach and incite student action towards positive social impact. Our suggestion is to go through these phases chronologically, review the various activities and tools as you go. When you see one you like, hit the Add to PDF button to add it to your personal course creator PDF. You will find the PDF generator icons on towards the bottom right of your course configurator pages. To use this tool, you simply have to go to digitalsocialimpact.eu. On the home page, you'll find the link to the course configurator. Click on it. This will take you to the page where you'll have the ability to configure your course. It's important to notice these two icons. The first one, the PDF, which allows you to save the file in PDF format, and the other icon which allows you to add the file to the configurator and save it in booklet format together with other resources and activities. It's important to remember that one course is made up of Step 1 Design, Step 2 Deliver, and Step 3 Reflect. We need to go through all three steps to configure our course. To start using the configurator, first you need to click on Proceed to Step 1. Over here you'll find the Activities, Lessons, Resources and Topics section for each step. At least one item should be added per step, but you can add as many as you like. You will also find a set of digital tools. The digital tools for each step support the activities and they can be added to help make this a success. At least one item should be added per step, but you can add as many as you like. So I will start configuring my course. I will scroll down and pick one of the activities below. So I'm gonna go with Stakeholder Expectation Matrix. If I scroll further down, I'll find more information about this topic. And I will also find the two icons that we talked about, the PDF icon and the Add to Booklet icon. To configure my course, I will add this to my booklet by clicking this icon. If we look in the top right corner over here, we can see that we have a document added to our course configurator. Now I will go back to Design. I will scroll down and I will pick one of the digital tools. I think I'll go with Google Drive. I have my information over here, scroll down, and I will click on the same icon to add it to my booklet. If I check up here on the top right corner, I can see the two items are added. As I mentioned before, remember that you can add as many resources, activities, or digital tools as you'd like. Also, please keep in mind that you need to pick at least one item per step. To proceed, I will go to Step 2, Deliver. Over here, I'll find more activities, lessons, resources, and topics, and I will choose one of them. I'll go with 5 whys. I will scroll down, view my information, and I'll go to this icon and click on it. I'll check my cart over here, and I can see the 3 items are added. Then I'll go back to Step 2 and I'll pick one of the digital tools. This time I'm gonna go with Slack. Scroll down, repeat the same action, click on the icon over here, and the item is added to my course. To proceed to Step 3, I will click on Step 3 Reflect. I will scroll down and view my activities, lessons, resources, and topics, and I will choose at least one of them. I will go with the ambassador concept. The same, we scroll down, view the information, and click on the booklet icon to add it to our course. View the cart. There are 5 items currently added to my cart here. And for the final step, I'll need to add a digital tool, so I'll go back to Step 3, Reflect here. I'll scroll down to Digital Tools, and I will pick Answer Garden. I have my information here, and I'm gonna click on the booklet icon. So now if I view my cart, I can see all 6 items are added to my configurator. To download my course in PDF format, I scroll down and I click on Create PDF. It starts downloading and I can view it here. And this is the entire course based on the items that I chose. We also have a second option over here. It says Create Zip. This allows us to download all these resources and lessons individually, which means we will have them one by one in the same folder. Let's see what it looks like. I click on Create Zip. It starts downloading. And I check it here. So under the same folder, you'll see all my 6 items here downloaded individually. As mentioned before, we also have the option to download each lesson or resource individually. So I will go back over here. I'll go to Step 1 Design. And to showcase this option, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go for one of the lessons over here. I'm going to choose World Cafe. I'll scroll down, view my information. And next to my booklet icon, as I said before, we have our PDF icon. If I click the PDF icon, so the lesson is opened in a PDF document format. I have my arrow over here. If I click on it, I will download this and I can view it here. So this concludes our tutorial for the Digital Social Impact Course Configurator. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.